way of fixing this where like you don't need to kind of get like a brand new replacement, because it still works, it's just stuck in there. So yeah, so first of all, open up this little thing here. So we're gonna open up these two screws right here. That's what you get, that nut. And then this is a 10mm, and this is a bit rusty, but it's a T12 10BX. So it's like a little star shape. And now, after you've taken off those screws, you can just take it out. So just do that. 1 second. This side as well. There you go. And then this, you've got it out now. See that? You can turn it, turns on, everything works. You can put it back in there. And then to like temporarily fix it, you can just put it in there. So if you just put it in there, align it up, and then you can just press into place. So if that does dip into there again, you can just, you know, instead of putting your hand through that little hole there, you can go and just, you know, remove this. There you go, just like that. So just make sure you don't put the screws back on, just keep them in there, and then it's just like a temporary way of just fixing it, because it does work. It's just, I think maybe the heat melted the what's it called, plastic away. But yeah,